Hey, how cool is this? Have you ever wanted to drop in a bearing, right? I have a casting here for a throttle. I need a bearing pocket on both sides and, a clearance hole for that shaft for the spindle. Let's go into the casting for our throttle body. In fact, this is actually a part studio for the machining of it. The first feature is a derived version of the casting as the first feature. That way we can split up our machining and casting operations for inspection. Now, from my enterprise toolbar here for custom features, I'm dropping in a custom feature for a pocket. This custom feature allows me to drop in a bearing pocket for the exact size SKF bearing that I'm using in this design. But look what happens. It's already adding my default fit tolerances and my depth tolerance for that particular feature. All right. Now we'll place one on one side. Of course, you see the tolerance table has been updated automatically. And let's place another one on the other side. We'll pick that same size. Any custom feature in Onshape is just like any normal feature in Onshape, except that it's pulling from a bit of library information in this particular case. I'll show you how that works in just a second. Now, if you want to fully document this, of course, you're going to need to apply some geometric tolerances and some datums for the inspector to set this part up for quality inspection. And I'm going to set datum A as the front flat face on the flange. Datum B is actually going to be feature size, I guess, here for the inside cylinder. Now let's place our tolerance in here. Of course, Onshape will allow me to build out a compliant geometric tolerance frame. Go ahead and place all the symbology that is required for this to be an acceptable tolerance. Now, did you know that you can just kind of keep clicking around with that box open and it will apply that tolerance to each tolerance that you select in while that geometric tolerance screen is on right there. But of course, we have all of the tolerances and characteristics playing out right here, and I can do my quality inspection from this. Now, how did this all come together? Well, this is the actual custom feature for a bearing pocket. The first tab of this custom feature is, defining how this thing is carried out. And the second tab is actually the data that drives the sizes of that drop down list. You can see here we have the 638 added. We add the information and the fit tolerances that we want to see are applied.